Hi, this is a video about how to put your own photos into TouchChat and write your own sentences about those photos and just kind of be able to do some storytelling with real photos using TouchChat. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into groups in the top right hand corner and we're going to go into visual scenes. So this is where there already are some templates that we can do this quite easily. Let's go into scene 3. It has nothing in here, so let's edit it. So I'm going to click on the big black box and I'm going to say edit this button and I'm going to import an image. So let's pick this one. Okay, so I've picked an image. I'm going to hit done and I'm going to hit save. So this is a picture of my friend Laura. She's holding some mushrooms that we picked. So now I can write about the image and I can do that, you know, in the boxes that are around the image. So let's pick this first one. We can edit. And then maybe we can call this like my weekend. So the label is what the button says, but then the message is what it actually speaks out loud. So they're not going to match in this case, which is what we want. So the label says my weekend, but the message could say, this weekend, okay. And if I hit save, it'll just say my weekend. But if we want to add, a picture as well, like just to help maybe our student know what that button's gonna say, we can select an image and search, and then let's just search like weekend or something. So we can hit that and press save. So then it'll just say my weekend. We can add another button. Let's write, maybe type. And then we can write. And then we can select an image. Let's see. There's some choices. Let's put that one in and hit save. Maybe we can have a comment about it, like it was so much fun to pick mushrooms with my friend. And then I can say it was fun as the label. And then it was fun. Okay, so now if I hit done in the left hand corner, I can test out these buttons. So my weekend.
This weekend I went mushroom picking.
Okay.
These are chanterelles.
Okay.
It was so much fun to pick mushrooms with my friend.
This is one great way to write about a picture, but there's another way you can do it as well. So let's take a look at that. Let's go back. Oh, actually that reminds me. So we've put the mushroom scene in scene 3, but you wouldn't know that from the button. We'd have to add the picture in as well. So we would add it, find that picture, let's use it, and let's hit done, and then we can rename the scene as well. I'm going to call this mushroom picking, save. Okay, so now our button looks like that. And let's open up scene 7 and we'll edit the page. So what we can do is we go into menu and we go into edit page layout. And I like to just maximize the number of rows and the number of columns. Hit save. I mean, you definitely don't have to change the background color, but I'm going to. And then this is the most tedious part of this. You just have to delete each of these buttons individually. So remove from page. Okay. Remove from page. And then you don't have to get rid of these ones. You can save these. Okay, and then go back into menu and edit page layout. We could have done this when we were in here the first time, but we can import our image. And I hit save. And it makes it nice and big. Okay, so this picture's like slotted in the background and we have all these blank buttons, but I've saved one button here And I can edit this button to say whatever I want. Maybe I want it to say, this weekend I went mushroom picking. So let's copy and paste that. And then I hit save. So it's the button is really tiny and I can make it as big as I want by just changing the button size. So maybe I want it nice and long. Let's say we want it 11 long, and then you can move it wherever you want, wherever it makes sense. So say I have it looking like that. You can, of course, change the font if you want it bigger. You can make the button bigger. Like, it's totally up to you how you want it to look. Create a button. So what else could I say about this? I could say change button size. Okay. And let's hit save. I want it to actually match this. So I'll say copy button and then I'll paste button style and it'll just make it look the same. Same font, same look. Okay, so I can hit done and now let's test it out.
It was a lot of fun. These are chanterelles.
I wonder why.
It was a lot of fun.
It's not reading the whole thing. Let's look at that. So let's edit this button. This weekend we went mushroom picking. I wonder if it's only reading the last sentence. If it's because of the period. For some reason I think it's only letting us write one sentence. So let's delete that and then we can just put it was a lot of fun in its own button. Delete that. Let's hit save. This weekend I went mushroom picking with my friend Laura. Let's just make sure it works.
This weekend I went mushroom picking with my friend Laura.
Great. Okay, let's just add another button that says the other sentence. So create new button, paste. Maybe I want to put in a picture, a symbol. Let's say happy. Okay, and then I take this, I say copy button, and then I paste the button style. And then it'll look like that. Maybe I want to make it bigger. Maybe I'll make it 2x2 and save. And then you can put that there. So let's hit done.
This weekend I went mushroom picking with my friend Laura. These are chanterelles. It was a lot of fun.
Okay, so I'm happy with the way that looks, but the one thing I'm not happy with is how it's saying chanterelles. So a little hint is we can go, oh my goodness, edit pronunciation. Okay, so then I can add a word. And so say my word is chanterelle. And then I can say,
Chanterelles.
okay, that's pretty good.
This weekend I went mushroom picking with my friend Laura. These are chanterelles. It was a lot of fun.
Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's just edit that button so that I know it's my new chanterelle one. So edit this button. Edit. Hit done. Okay, and then I can change the title of the button as well. So I can edit the button. Okay, so those are two ways to do the same thing. It's just about the way, like what you like. If you prefer the big image and putting your own buttons around it, then that's an option too. Okay, I hope that this video was helpful for you.